Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And of course I am back to teach you another line dance. Thank you for coming back each and every time to this channel. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along to this line dance that I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction, I will pin the demo at the end of this video, okay? So make sure you check that out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Guys, I am so excited. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself presents a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. If you have never been to a line dance event, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You're like, Linda, that's next year. Yes, but we are getting ready right now. It'll be here before you know it. We always sell out. You can go to our website right now and book your room, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website for all detailed information. That's where registration takes place, and also you book your hotel. www.lmiunola.com. This is my personal invitation. Don't say I didn't tell you, okay? So, guys, this next line dance I'm going to teach you, it is called Cruisin. It's a classic. For all the new instructors that's coming in, this is a classic that you must teach it to your class. It's only a one-wall dance and it's 32 count. And I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions. So let's go. So I'm going to stand from this wall right here. So like I said, it's a 4-wall dance. So it starts real basic on your left. So your weight will be on your right. So your right leg is on the right. You're going to do a cross rock recover. Cross rock recover with a triple step. Then you're going to go to the other side. Cross rock recover with a triple step. Then you do it in the front. Cross rock recover, triple step, and then you're going to step back. Rock, recover, triple step. So all we're doing is basically alternating. And make sure the weight starts on the right and we start on the left. Crossing over on the left with a triple step. Cross over to the right on the triple step. And then we're going up, triple step, and then we're going back. So we just alternated. Left, right, left, right. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and cross, rock, recover, triple step, cross, rock, recover, triple step to the front, cross, rock, recover, triple step, and back. Cross, rock, recover, triple step. And your last step will be on your right. So now we're going to do a step pivot half, which means we're coming back to the front, okay? So just like it starts on that left, that step pivot half will be on your left, okay? Last step is on your right. You step pivot half, which is left, right, then do it again. Step pivot half, left to right. And you might wind up coming back to the front wall. So it's left, right, okay? And for those who don't want to turn, they can go left, right, just like that, okay? Now let's put it together with the cross, rock, recover, with a triple. 5, 6, 7, and cross, rock, recover, triple step, cross, rock, recover, triple step, up on the left, rock, recover, triple step, back on the right, rock, recover, triple step, step pivot half, left, right, okay? Now, from here, we're going to do something that's called a figure 8. And the whole combination is going to be 12 steps. And the purpose of this figure 8 is really to get you back to the front. So let's work on that, okay? So we just did our step pivot half, and the weight will be on your right. So we're gonna start on the left, going to the left. Step behind quarter. Okay? So you step left, step behind, and quarter turn to the left. Now, you're gonna step and make a half turn, pivot turn. Right, left. I just made a half turn. Okay? So, step behind quarter on the left. I step forward with my right and pivot half, okay? And my right heel is up. Now, I'm gonna step on my right, I'm gonna step to my front and repeat the same thing I did on the left, I'm gonna do on the right. Step behind quarter. Okay, so just what I did, the step behind quarter, I'm gonna step on my right. Step behind quarter. Okay, the only thing I'm doing in between that is making a half turn. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and step behind quarter, make your quarter turn. Then step up forward on that right and pivot. Shoulder coming forward, right shoulder coming forward, half turn. When I do that, my right heel is up. When I step, I'm gonna step back to the front. Step behind quarter. Stepping on that right. I'm gonna step on that left, step half with my left shoulder going forward, half turn. My left heel is up. I'm gonna step back to the front, step left, and then step right. And that completes my figure 8. We're going to put it together, but together is going to be 12 steps, okay? So, let's do it. Figure 8. Step behind quarter, step pivot half, step on my right, step behind quarter, step left, pivot half, go back to the front, step left, and step right. My weight is on my right, and then I'm gonna start over. Dan starts over just like that. So, let me count. Let's count out 12 steps. Because this here is the bulk of the line dance. If you can teach your class this figure 8, they really have the dance, okay? It's 12 steps. Okay, so let's count. Stepping to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I do my pivot turn, it's a 4 and a 5, which is right, left. I'm going back to the front. 6, 7, turn 8. Pivot 9, 10. That's 9, 10 is half. Back to the front. 11 and 12. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step on the right, back to the front. 6, 7, 8. Pivot half. 9, 10. Step left. 11 and 12. So that weight got to go back to the right. That's the dance. Okay? So let's do a cross mambo starting over. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There'll be 32 counts. Okay, so let's walk through it again. Weight is on the right, cross, rock, recover on the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up, 1, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, step 5, 6, turn 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn 6, 7 and 8. That's the end of the dance. Cruising, living for the weekend is the song. What did I want to tell you? That's the dance. And here's what's great about this dance. It starts slow, and then it's gonna pick up. The energy picks up, and then it comes back down. It ends slow. So you gotta check out this line dance. Instructors, you have to teach your beginners this dance. Also, it's the classics. You gotta know your classics. So I will pin the video at the end of this, the demo at the end of this video. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. That's next year. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. You can book your room right now. You can only go to our website to take care of your registration and to book your room, and also to read about the details of this event. We spell everything out. www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.